Hello everyone, in previous classes already we are discussing about the structure of an atoms by using some models like Thomson model and the Rutherford model. In somewhere the Rutherford model fails to explain about the structure of an atom. First I wish to say or I wish to recap what the Rutherford model says about the structure of an atom. So see here, Rutherford said the positively charged particles are concentrated and they are extremely small in a region and they placed at the center of the atom, and it is called as a nucleus. It is called as a nucleus. And next point what he says to us, see here, the negatively charged particles like electrons are revolving around the nucleus in an atom in a fixed circular path, and that path are called as an orbit. So he compares this structure of an atom to our solar system, how our earth is surrounding or revolve around the sun. So like this, our electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a circular path called as an orbit. So this is the idea about the structure of an atom according to the Rutherford. So where he failed, and what are the drawbacks of the Rutherford model? What are the limitations of the Rutherford model? In today's class I am going to discuss with you. So let me tell here. So what are the first drawback of the Rutherford model is? So here, according to Rutherford model of an atom, the electron, which are negatively charged particle, revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. Already you know that the electrons are negatively charged particle. They are revolve around in a circular path, and that circular path is called as an orbit. And next see here, thus the electron undergo acceleration. When the negatively charged particles are continuously in a motion, when they are revolve around the nucleus continuously, they undergo the acceleration. According to the electromagnetic theory of Maxwell, a charged particle undergoing acceleration should emit the electromagnetic radiation. So see here, according to the electromagnetic radiation, if charged particle continuously revolved around the nucleus, then it undergo the acceleration, and that accelerated particle emits certain amount of a radiation. These electrons emits certain amount of radiation. It loses some energy in the form of a radiation. And next, thus an electron in an orbit should emit the radiation. The orbit should shrink, but this does not happen. So see here, I wish to explain in a simpler words. These are our electrons revolving around the nucleus, and these are a charged particle. When according to the electromagnetic theory, electromagnetic radiation of Maxwell theory, charged particle when revolving around the nucleus, they should emit the radiation. They undergo the acceleration. That accelerated particles are emits the radiation. Radiation means it is also the form of energy. These electrons are continuously revolve around the nucleus by losing some energy. If these electrons are revolving in a certain speed and it loss energy and it come towards its loss energy in the form of radiation, automatically what happened? The atom will be shrink. At the last, when the electron loses its all energy, then this electron fall in this nucleus. It doesn't happen. So this is the first drawback of Rutherford model. So this is the first drawback. Next drawback is Rutherford model cannot explain the stability of an atom. It's not explain the stability of an atom. And next, the models does not give any information about how electrons are distributed around the nucleus and what are the energies of these electrons. So see here, for example, in a sodium we are having 11 electrons, and in a carbon we are having 6 electrons. So how these 11 electrons are arranged? So how he arranged, in what format the electrons are arranged around the nucleus, he can't explain in this model. So this is the third drawback. And then he can't explain about the energies of these electrons. So what is the capacity of these all electrons? So about the energy of electrons, he doesn't explain in the Rutherford model. So these three are the drawbacks of Rutherford model. In our next class, we are discussing about some numericals about this atomic number and mass number.